The Xiaomi Vision GT concept is more than just a virtual race car. It represents a bold statement from a company that only recently entered the automotive world. Built specifically for the Vision Gran Turismo program, this all-electric hypercar shows how serious Xiaomi has become about performance, design, and global influence. Unveiled ahead of Mobile World Congress 2026 in Barcelona, the Vision GT immediately grabbed attention with its dramatic proportions. The body sits extremely low to the ground, with a central cockpit layout that feels closer to a Le Mans prototype than a traditional road car. Massive aerodynamic channels are carved directly into the bodywork. Instead of relying on bolt-on wings and add-ons, Xiaomi designed airflow into the structure itself. The huge rear wing, aggressive rear diffuser, and sculpted side intakes all work together to maximize downforce while maintaining efficiency. The scissor doors add visual drama, but the engineering story is just as impressive. The car is built on Xiaomi's 900-volt silicon carbide electric platform, the same advanced architecture that underpins its real-world electric vehicle ambitions. Xiaomi has suggested the system is capable of handling power levels approaching 1,900 horsepower, placing it firmly in hypercar territory, even if final performance numbers have not been officially confirmed. Inside, the Vision GT does not follow a stripped-out race car formula. Instead, it introduces a cocoon-shaped driver's seat designed to blend technology and comfort. A panoramic digital display stretches across the cockpit, while a butterfly-shaped steering wheel reinforces the futuristic theme. It feels like a concept that bridges gaming fantasy with production ambition. What makes this reveal even more significant is that Xiaomi becomes the first Chinese brand to join the Vision Gran Turismo lineup in the program's 28-year history. That milestone alone signals how quickly the global automotive landscape is shifting. From smartphones to electric sedans, and now a digital hypercar capable of competing with the most extreme virtual machines in Gran Turismo, Xiaomi is clearly thinking big. Even though the Vision GT is a digital-only concept for now, it reflects real engineering confidence. And for enthusiasts watching the electric performance space evolve, it offers a glimpse into where Xiaomi could be heading next.